Morning everyone. Here is the next class of marketing. In this class I will discuss the third category of products, third classification of products. The topic here is industrial goods. The definition of industrial good is the products used as inputs to produce consumer products are known as industrial products. The definition is the products used as inputs to produce consumer products are known as industrial products. Means those products which are used as input. Here the important statement is input. Means these are those products which are used as input to produce consumer products. They are used for non-personal and business purposes. It means these products are not used for personal use. These are used for business purposes. These are used as an input to produce further consumer products. Examples of industrial goods are raw materials, tools, machinery, lubricants, etc. As raw material, we know raw material is used for making finished goods. We will see it in detail later. So, types of industrial product. Here is the further classification of industrial products. Here is the further classification of industrial products into three categories: A, B, C. Point A, material and parts. Point B, capital items. Point C, supplies and business services. So the first is material and parts. Material, these are goods that are used for manufacturing the goods. Yes, these are goods which are used as an input for manufacturing or producing further goods. Material and parts are again categorized or further divided into two groups. These are further divided into two types: raw material, manufactured material, and parts. So materials are further divided into two parts: raw material, manufactured material, and parts. So raw material means कच्चा माल जिसका यूज़ करके हम एक फिनिश प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं. The raw material could be either agri products. Here agri means agricultural. So those products which are used in agriculture are sugarcane. Yes, sugarcane is used as a raw material for manufacturing or producing sugar. Rubber is a raw material which is used for making tire. Similarly wheat means गेहूँ यूज़ करके हम रोटी पराठा बनाते हैं. सो wheat is here a raw material which is used for making roti parathas. और they can natural products like iron ore. Yes, iron ore means आयरन का खनिज, इसको यूज़ करके हम आयरन लोहा बनाएंगे. क्रूड पेट्रोलियम मीन्स कच्चा तेल है, इसको यूज़ करके हम पेट्रोल बनाएंगे. सो रॉ मटेरियल्स आर दोज प्रोडक्ट्स विच आर यूज फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फर्दर कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट्स. Like sugar cane is used for producing sugar, rubber is used for making tire, wheat is used for making roti or paratha. Similarly, other natural products are also raw materials. So raw materials can't be used for personal use. It can't be offered to consumer. Always raw materials are supplied by a supplier, which are supplier to manufacture. Raw materials are never supplied or given to customer. Raw materials are always supplied by supplier to manufacturer or producer. After that, manufacturer or producer uses that raw material and converts into finished goods which are offered to the customer. So here is the important statement is raw materials are never supplied to customer directly. Raw materials are supplied by supplier which are given to manufacturer or producer of a company, and he or she converts further raw material into finished goods. Second one, manufactured materials. It is the second category of first heading, material and parts. So manufactured material means the material which are having something manufactured but still they are not finished goods. They are called parts or components. So here it is written, these include component materials like glass. Here glass means shisha, iron, loha, plastic. A component like battery. Here battery means cell, bulb or steering etc. The component materials are further fabricated from. इनको भी कैसे बनाया जाता है? The component materials are further fabricated means further made from aluminium, pig, iron from aluminium, pig iron to steel. Yes, We can make steel by using pig iron and cloth from yarn. Yes, we can use yarn for making cloth. Here yarn means धागा, धागे का यूज़ करके हम कपड़े बना सकते हैं, clothes. Similarly, components enter the final product without being changed or modified. These components are directly used into finished goods. These are not changed or modified. For example, cell are directly uses into devices just like that. But they are not finished goods. They are manufactured materials. Yarn भी पहले हम बनाते हैं by any raw material. We produce yarn, then we use yarn for making clothes. So here cloth is the finished goods, yarn is the manufactured material. Okay, the last statement. In this case, price, quality and services are important factors while making a decision. Yes, in these kind of products we consider price, quality, services. So I have covered point A, material and parts, with its two categories, raw material, manufactured material and parts. Next, B and C points, remaining points I will discuss in the next lecture. Okay then, thank you.